Yes.
Are you going to put the chapstick on your elbow?
This is what.
That's chapstick. That's vanilla. It's vanilla chapstick. Here, have a bite. Here, open. Good boy. Are you making faces? You are quite a character.
I'm putting on an owie.
I don't have an owie. I don't have an owie. I don't know where did you learn those goofy faces? Hmm? Okay. Open. Chapstick on your... The only person I know that puts chapstick on their tongue. I don't care for any thank you. No thank you.
I have a diaper.
You have the diaper change? Do we need to change your diaper? Huh? You're out of control. You're the chapstick kid, huh?
You can put it on the leg.
You can put it on the leg.
You just gonna in.
You can rub it in. You're gonna put it on your lips now. Good thing. My, what unchapped lips you have. Okay, open your unchapped lips for a bite. There you go. Nice. What is that all about?
I can put it on the sandals.
You're gonna put chapstick on the sandals? That's interesting. I didn't know you... Ooh, wow, you put a lot on there. Well, you don't have to worry about chapped sandals.
Let it out.
You're gonna what?
Let it out the pooper.
You got a poo butt? Okay, well let's go change that rather than mash it into Grandpa, okay? Here we go.